Dew on the morning grass so fine, sunrise paints the dawn divine. Beneath the sky so calm and blue, a whisper from the fields anew. Bird songs weaving through the air, nature sings without a care. Footprints in the meadow lay, guiding through the start of day. Feel the call of wildflowers, nature's song in quiet hours. Harmony in each cool breeze, cowboys ride in tranquilly. Mountains stand with grandeur bold, whispering secrets old untold. Rivers flow with gentle grace, nature's charm in every place. Mountains stand with grandeur bold, whispering secrets old untold. Rivers flow with gentle grace, nature's charm in every place. Whistling winds and rustling leaves echo with each breath they breathe. Journey through the open land, hand in hand with nature's hand. Feel the call of wildflowers, nature's song in quiet